Hello, welcome everyone to back to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. This is a tech guy, and today I'm back with some hints and some tips. Yeah, actually, I'm about to teach you how to use your midnight bundle and increase your internet connection speed during midnight bundle. The tip I use midnight bundle, I always have a connection is slowly. Which if you started using game, you browse on the fast internet connection. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And let's see you guys on how you're going to use your midnight bundle, how you're going to increase your internet connection during the midnight bundle. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, like. So if you have any problem, just comment and I'll reply you back just in a minute. Okay. So thank you. Let's go.
Hello, welcome everyone to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Yeah, but subscribe. Oh, the boss is here. Antenna materials. Oh, the boss. Ah, bro, boss. You know, I have bell icon and say, yeah, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Now today I'm about to teach you just some tips. Yeah, inside to be like tell you, which me a midnight bundle. Afi 12 am ndo achele be browse kwa na ohun de onye no I confuse ni ade chale ebia me pen so enti chale this for those out there who use midnight for downloads and be now use midnight for downloads. The best option that I prefer to you guys is the trivia or downloads no doors no chale ohun de oye and a trivia ads no so annoying website what me call download no obe post na adverting be. So this is for those who be using their phones for download and my brother, the best option is so be use your phone for downloader. Get UC mini browser. UC mini browser. It is very good for downloads. Yeah, it's very good. So best option unya we the UC browser. Prefer so anopano network mu you get some little data be so now everyone said they would download the me download the movies here. Also download the movies now never go download tap what nobody now pause. Yeah, nobody now pause. Yeah, and about exactly midnight 12 a.m. say crane now obo resume nobody now play and you feel obo stress on one but yeah nti chale we kwa no aye to be hu ya so be sleep we say obo ne pause ye obo na pause ye 12 a.m. drew a wait my body play pa no other obo so na twin we but sometimes our internet service providers no the moment network no go slow you can wonder say anupimu no the network is very fast a brew midnight I'm say no there has been a lot of people on the service now yeah how much I say network na say reduce slow a tribia nipa na doors internet ko so tribia so na networks no mo sheda so tribia networks no mo sheda so
So guys, this is the part 2, and the part 2 we'll be talking about how to increase your internet connection during downloads. Yeah, this is the show speed them 660 something kilobytes. Yeah, and it was wrong 600 something, but it's no mean per speed rate. So I'm about to increase it, and right now I'll be needing UFO VPN. I'll be putting the link so that you guys can download the cracked version. You could Play Store download the background. You won't get some features though. I'll post the link so that you can download the cracked version. So you download your UFO VPN. Yeah, that's the one that the Keza is on it. The Keza and Namson. Or download your UFO VPN now. Now will be into be I am connecting the nearest server. The nearest server is London or Germany, but I prefer to connect to London. Yeah, into the speed number 630. So I prefer to connect to London. London is the nearest server for you guys to connect. Who connect to London? I think it's London, UK. Yeah, who connect to UK? Then you select London. Any of UK service you can connect it, and you get your highest internet speed that you can get. So as you can see now, the moment that I connected it to London, or you realize that the internet speed will be booming higher, like 11 megabytes per second, 6 megabytes per second, and that's what you have to do to increase your internet speed. All you need is your UFO VPN. All you need is your UFO VPN to increase your internet speed. Yeah, so you need your UFO VPN, and the server that you have to connect is London. Yeah, London. That's UK. Yeah. Are you busy? You can try other UK servers. Yeah. So that's how you can increase your internet speed. I have networks and most share on my networks in Kosovo. No? Yeah. Or most download so then they'll be threatening the internet speed. So as a network in Kosovo, by using this, no, you can get a high internet speed. And my next video is on how to change your voice. Means to about me for the number so the number you are calling cannot be reached at this moment. Ubetimas Sano. In general, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will teach you how to change that so that your own know to place and be a word the so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notify bell so that you can get notified when the next video is posted. Thank you and bye. Yeah, thanks everyone for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that I get notified the next time that I post my video. And if you have any issue relating on your mobile, anything involving tech, you can just let me know. And I will upload the video, you can just comment. And I say no issue, yeah, you want me to make a video about it, just comment. But don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so thank you all and thanks everyone. Have a blessed day.